welcome back to my channel Hital's Cornerstone. So in today's video we will see Saskatchewan PNP in demand occupation list in Saskatchewan for 2021, mostly invited NOC in Saskatchewan. Also we will see settlement funds, how much settlement funds you require to settle in Saskatchewan PNP, with how many persons. If you have a 1%, 2%, 3%, we will see in detail video of settlement fund. And most crucial thing is a language credential, language requirements. Else in general training is only CLB 4. So how much you will get in LRSW, we will see in detail video. For self-pip also, how much score you require in self-pip. So if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like also, so you will get new updated information, interesting information for Canada. So without wasting our time, let's go inside in detailed video of Saskatchewan. Before moving inside, let's check out firstly settlement funds. How much fund you require for Saskatchewan PNP? So there is a basic requirement is that you must have the minimum fund required for minimum 3 months before you submit your application. So you required minimum 3 months statement. Next one, you must also meet IRCC proof of fund requirement when you apply for permanent residency after nomination by SINP. So we have to say the fund requirement for SINP as well as IRCC, that means express entry requirement proof of fund. Next one, they must be in the name of the principal applicant and or spouse only. So if you are filing your application on a principal basis, the proof of fund required on the principal base, principal name. And if you are having a spouse, then maybe in a spouse. So and or. Next one, SINP application is submitted and must include type of currency. Means if you are applying in India, you have to write rupees. Fund holder's name means the principal applicant or spouse name. Contact information of the financial institutions, that means the bank's names and addresses, account numbers, and transactions and balances. So means you have to put out the detail on the application, right, for settlement funds. Next one, so number of person in household and minimum fund required for 3 months in Canadian dollars. If there is a one person who is applying for SINP, so minimum requirement is 12,669 Canadian dollar. So if you are applying from India, so if you have to convert your money into Canadian dollar, right? So if a one person, that required 12,669 Canadian dollar. If a two-person is joining with you, means you and your spouse, 15,772 Canadian dollar. Three-person, 19,390 Canadian dollar, as well as 7%, 33,528 Canadian dollar is required for SINP. Okay, so if your money in Indian rupee, then you have to convert in a Canadian dollar for 3 months statement is required. Next one is the following funds will be accepted. So let's check out the which funds are accepted and which are not accepted. Personal checking, personal checks or saving accounts. If you have bonds, then will be accepted. Cash value life insurance, guaranteed investment certificates or certificates of deposits, mutual funds, provident fund and official letter from the PF Provident Fund organization, including the amount of funds that are acceptable is required. Accessible, right? Accessible कितना हम withdraw कर सकते हैं, accessible is required. Register retirement savings plan. If you are having this RRSP, then you have to show that you can show this RRSP. If you have stocks, tax-free savings accounts, Next one, term deposits and time deposit must be valid at the time of application and remain valid throughout the entire application process. Last one is treasury's bill. So these funds will be accepted for settlement funds, and not accepted is that debentures. Debentures are not accepted. Credit cards, lines of credit, gold, cash, property or businesses are not accepted as settlement fund. If your property 3 bungalows or 4 bungalows, if your land properties means each um, goodwill, right, so these are properties are not accepted as a settlement fund. Gold is also not accepted. Cash in hand is not accepted. If cash in a bank, right, so that will be accepted. So these are the funds accepted by the SINP, and this one is a not accepted. So next one is, let's check out the language credential, language requirement in IELTS or CELPIP. Okay. So the International Language English Language Testing System IELTS General Training, if you are applying for academic, that will be not accepted for SINP, PNP. So you have to file your application in IELTS General Training. So let's check out the score in listening, reading, writing and speaking. In listening you require 4.5, reading 3.5, writing 4 and speaking 4 only. So I don't think so it's a tougher to get this score, to get PNP ITA from SINP. So you can easily score L at this much score, right? CLB 4. Next one, if you want to apply in a CELPIP general, the Canadian English Language Proficiency Index program, CELPIP in general, so reading, listening, writing and speaking, you require 4 in each. So this is a language credential required for SINP, PNP. So this is easily you can score. Next one, let's check out the NOCs, most invited NOCs in SINP PNP. First one is 4412, home support workers and related occupations. They are not accepting 4411, that is a home child care provider. Okay, so you must have to keep in mind that thing which are excluded. Human resource professional 0112, nurses, patient service associate 3413, 2171 information system analysts and consultants. If you're not aware, if you're not aware of NOCs, then you can check out your NOCs in online and official website of Canadian. So you will know in which NOC you are falling, you are included in SINP or not. So you can also file your application for SINP. Let's check out another NOCs. Database analyst and data administration 2172, drafting technologies and technician 2253. Next one, 0121, insurance, real estate, financial brokerages and managers 20121, advertising, marketing and public relation manager 0124, web designers and developers 2174, aircraft mechanics and aircraft inspector. If you are having your VC and in this aircraft mechanics and aircraft inspection 7315, then you can apply in SINP PNP. Financial managers NOC 0111. Next one, other administrative services managers NOC 0114. With zero financial manager there is a 1111 and 1113, right, but they both are excluded, but now only 0111 financial managers is only included in the list of SINP PNP. Next one, banking, credit and other investment managers NOC 0122. Next one, purchasing managers 0113. If your portfolio in purchasing manager, then you can file your application in this NOC's code. Other administrative services managers, like if you are doing some administrative work, then you can file your application in this NOC code 0114. Service managers, financial communicators and other business services 0013. Healthcare, education and social community 0014. Construction, transportation, production utilities 0016. So all are service managers. 13, 14 and 16. But this is a financial communicators, healthcare and construction. Next one, bankers. If you are having your NOCs in 6332 bankers, then you can file your application. Automotive service technician, truck and bus mechanic and mechanical repair. So NOC 7321. So you your CV, you have experience in truck, then you can file your application in 7321. Computer programmers and interactive media developers, 22174. Computer programmers and media developers, architecture technologists and technician, 2251. Financial sales representative, NOC 6235. Okay, so this one is included over here. Accounting technician and bookkeepers, 1311 only. 1111 is excluded from this NOC list of SINP. Last one, agriculture managers, NOC 0821. Other financial officers, 1114. And last one, administrative assistant or officer, NOC 1221. So this is a inclusive list of NOCs most invited in 2021. So let's check out there is a one draw on 29 July. Recently there was a draw. So how much score they have invited minimum and which NOCs they have invited. So let's check out that. There was a draw on 29 July 2020 and minimum score was 70. And minimum score for this draw was 70, but for SINP BNP minimum score 60 out of 100 is required. Number of invitation was issued 248. So I have made one inclusive list of SINP Saskatchewan PNP, so I will put that link in the description so you can check out the full video of the Saskatchewan. And let's check out the NOCs they have been included. So this is NOC list they have invited in this ITA, this draw. Okay. So if you have experience, you have made your application and completed your IELTS in general or self-pay, so you can put your file in Saskatchewan. Might be there will be one draw in, there will be your number in Saskatchewan. So thank you guys, thank you so much. I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new informative video for Canada. So thank you guys, bye bye now.